Assalamualaikum, saya Yuniati dari kelas F1 mencoba untuk menjelaskan tentang konsep economic value and who created dari Mariana Mazzucato. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Italian economist Mariana Mazzucato discussed the concept of economic value and who created it. She argued that economic value is not just about market prices, but about real contribution to society and the economy. Mazzucato argues that a modern capitalism, the distinction between value creation and value extraction has blurred. Value creation is the process of the producing useful goods and services, while value extraction is the extraction of profit without making a real contribution. She pointed out that many sectors, such as finance, focus more on value extraction than value creation. This leads to economic inequality and stifles innovation. Mazzucato also discusses how economic measures such as GDP, gross domestic product, are inaccurate in measuring societal well-being because they fail to account for factors such as unpaid domestic work and environmental degradation. This video invites us to rethink the concept of economic value and how we can create a more equitable and sustainable economy. Here are the answer to the 10 questions about the video. How does Mazzucato distinguish between value creation and value extraction? And why does she think this distinction has been lost in modern capitalism? Mazzucato distinguishes between value creation, activities that produce new goods, service, or innovation, and value extraction, extracting wealth without contributing to productive activities. She believes this distinction has been lost due to the rise of the financialization and rent-seeking behaviors. Number 2, in what way did Pisistratos and classical economists Smith, Ricardo, and Marx think about value differently from today's neoclassical economists? Classical economists view value as tied to production and labor, where neoclassical economists focus on subjective value determined by market prices. The shift moved from value determined price to price reverse value. Number 3, why is the shift from value determined price to price reverse value so important for how we measure productivity and growth? This shift obscures understanding of true economic value, leading to mismeasurement of productivity and growth. It prioritizes financial metrics over real output and innovation. Number 4, how do current GDP measures miss respiration economic reality in areas such as unpaid care work and environmental damage? According to the talk, GDP ignores unpaid care work, etc., child care, and count environmental damage as a growth, overstating economic success and ignoring sustainability. Number 5, what evidence does Mazzucato present that large part of the financial sector are financial themselves rather than the real economy, and why is this problematic? She cites that showing financial sector growth disconnected from real economy lending. This is problematic because it prioritizes speculation over productive investment. Number 6, how does the example of high drug price and public funding for medical research illustrate the confusion between rents and genuine value creation? High drug price reflect rents, patient monopolies, rather than value creation. public funding drive innovation, but private companies capture them without reinvesting in research. Number 7, why does Mazzucato argue that lack of reinvestment of corporate profit threaten innovation, job creation, and long-term productivity? Company hoarding profit instead of reinvesting staff innovation and growth. Retained earnings should drive future investment, not shareholder payout. Number 8. What lesson does she draw from the moon landing about the role of the public sector in driving innovation and shaping market? The moon landing saw how public investment and mission-oriented policies can drive transformation innovation. Government can shape market and enable private sector growth. Number 9. How could financial regulation and public investment be redesigned to reward long-term, mission-oriented value creation instead of short-term speculation? Mazzucato suggests aligning incentive with long-term goals, taxing speculation, and directing finance toward innovation and societal challenge. Number 10. If value is not the same as price, what kinds of new indicator or frameworks does Mazzucato suggest we need to guide economic policy and corporate strategy? She advocated for metrics beyond GDP, measuring genuine value creation as innovation, sustainability, well-being to guide policy and corporate strategy. That's all. Thank you.